In this dashboard, I placed a menu object here, the main menu with these three buttons. Now this object is a linked file. We can see it here. This menu is linked to something I saved in my shared folder, and it's called the orange menu. Now I could try to link to another menu, the blue menu here, and as you can see, apart from the obvious difference in colors, we also got some different buttons here. And the idea is that depending on which user is currently logging on to this dashboard, they may see different menus according to their role settings. So what we need to do here is to actually remove this menu and replace it with a so-called role-based menu. So that's what we do here. Insert role-based menu. And it initially goes up blank like this, but we just need to place it where we want to see it. So in the same position as the other menus that we saw right there. So now we put it there, and we just need to save this dashboard. And once it has been saved here, let's have a look into the actual role settings that you need to do. So I'll be logging on to my management client here with the sys user, and down here in roles you can see I already created a couple of roles like the blue role and the orange role, and in the blue role we got the demo user, and the demo user should then from the menu settings be using the blue menu. Furthermore, you could also set up this startup document. It's not really related to the menu thing, but it's just easier to start up in that way. And for the orange role, we got the sys user, and of course that should be using the orange menu. And here I already put in this dashboard as the startup document. So let's close this management client and let's move on to the target client itself. And now I'm logging on as the demo user, as you can see here, and the startup document, make sure that I open up the right dashboard, and we can already see here that it opened up with the blue menu in the location where we had the role-based menu. And if I do another login through the target client, this time as the sys user, like this, we can see that indeed it opens up the orange menu for this role.